Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change language in Wish application. To change language on Wish application, the first thing you'll need to know is that there is no direct inbuilt way to change your language on Wish application. So in order to do that or acquire a similar effect, you will need to go ahead and change your language settings on the device that you are using. Simply go ahead and open the settings app from your Android device or your iOS device. From the settings menu, go ahead and find the option that says General or General Management. Now click on Language and Input. Select the language option and tap on Add Language. Choose a different language you'd like to use for your phone and select the language by tapping on it. Click on Set as Default in the pop-up and your smartphone will go ahead and restart on the chosen language. Soon after you change the language for your device, you can go back to the Wish application and you will then be able to see your display on your selected device's language. So that is how you can easily change the language on your Wish application. Since there is no direct way inside the application itself, you will need to go ahead and change the language settings for your smartphone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.